Every cyborg begins with meticulously organized components, each part precisely cataloged for assembly. The cyborg's skeleton is built with precision, each joint engineered for flawless mobility and strength. Artificial muscles are layered with precision, enabling the cyborg to move with human-like fluidity. Finally, synthetic skin is applied with meticulous care, giving the cyborg a lifelike exterior while retaining mechanical precision.
Diagnostic complete. Systems online. At its core lies artificial intelligence, processing millions of decisions in real time.
Every movement is calibrated to perfection.
Only flawless models advance to the next stage. Movement tests ensure human-like fluidity.
At its core lies artificial intelligence, processing millions of decisions in real time.
Advanced communication allows seamless interaction.
Every system is tested one final time.
Perfection awaits its purpose.
When compared to humans, cyborgs deliver unmatched consistency and precision.
Automation makes perfection scalable.
Advanced safeguards ensure total human oversight.
As machines become perfect, one question remains: what defines humanity?
Once complete, they are ready to serve their purpose.